Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert drop-down list in Google Sheets. So for example, if you would like to do it, first you need to select cell where you want to insert it. So for example, I click on B2 cell and then I need to go to Data tab, and here I need to select Data Validation. Now this window should be successfully displayed here, so we need to click on Add Rule button, and here you can select the range where you want to apply this data validation. After that you need to select criteria. We need to select here drop down, and we can select here options which we want to create. For example, I type here maybe apple, and here maybe I will type orange. Remember that you can add another items if you want. If you will click on this button, for example I type here grapes, and you can change the color for each option, so I click here to do it. And for example I click here on this one color, I will change color for the orange too, so I click here and I select here maybe this color, and I go to this option on the left side of the grapes and I select here maybe this color. Okay, so now you can check or uncheck this option, allow multiple selections. Everything depends on your preferences, and here you can find advanced options if you want. You can show help text for a selected cell, you can show here a warning if you want, or you can display the style. I will not change here anything and I click done button. How you see, it has been successfully inserted here. So if you will click on this list, you will be able to select one from available options. For example, I select here orange. How you see, it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.